Welcome to iScape. On the projects board, you will see 3 icons at the top or bottom of the screen depending on your device. Your projects are accessible from the projects icon on the bottom left. In the middle is the news icon where you can see articles and other media released about iScape. The settings icon is on the bottom right. By clicking on settings, you can access your account subscriptions, choose different languages, view our terms and policies, and for pro users, you can see all of your proposals as well as your company profile and all of your image uploads. Start your design by either taking a picture with your mobile device or choosing one within the iScape library. By typing in your address, you can also allow Google Street View to access satellite imagery of your home if it's available. Once your background image has loaded, you can resize it using the pinching gesture at any point throughout your design process. Make sure no layer is selected to resize the background image. Double tapping on your background image will open 2 hidden buttons. The color adjuster tool will allow you to change the hue, saturation, brightness, and contrast of your background image. There is a Reset All button at the top right of the palette. Inside the Cutout tool, Erase tool, Clone tool interface, if you want to zoom into the image, you can unclick the draw icon and then use the pinching gesture. Then re-click on the draw icon to be able to freehand outline an item. A helpful magnifying glass is automatically engaged. Once the outline is complete, unclick the draw icon again and zoom back out. The Clone tool will copy the image. You will be able to resize and rotate it before tapping on it to place it into your design. With iScape Pro, the Erase tool will use artificial intelligence to remove any unwanted items from your background image. When you are finished, click the X. The Add Texture tool on the bottom left of the screen allows you to add ground cover such as grass, mulch, or rock. Upon opening, you will see 3 options for outlining the area you want to cover. With the freehand draw option, you can pick points and automatic lines will appear for creating geometric shapes. But there are also square as well as circle selection options. Using the shaping handles, you can resize, rotate, and augment the geometric selections for your perfect fit. Click the Add Texture option, choose your ground cover, and then click Done to add it to your design. Tap on the ground cover to deselect it. To add products to the design, click the Add Product button on the bottom right. The products interface will appear. On the top right, there is a zone icon where you can choose your specific grow zone. Next to that is the search bar where you can search for products by name. Below is a tab for your favorites, the product categories, a list of your uploaded products, a list of newly added products, and a list of recently used products. Select a category to open it up. Each product will have a heart icon where you can add it to your favorites, as well as an information icon that you can tap for a full description. An Insert Product button is located at the bottom, or you can tap on the product and it will be automatically inserted into the design. While the product is still selected, you will see several tools on the left side of your screen. The trash can, which will delete the product, the duplicate tool, the Cutout Clone tool, which will remove or clone parts of the product, the Flip tool, the Arrange tool, which will rotate the layer order, and the Color Adjuster, which will change the color, saturation, brightness, contrast, or opacity of the product. There is a Reset All button on the top right. Once you're happy with the selected area, tap to deselect. The top toolbar consists of an X, which will give you options to close out the design by either saving your work or not. The question mark opens the iScape Help Center and has links to popular articles, links for technical help, account and subscription questions, frequently asked questions available in other languages, and links for troubleshooting. The Undo and Redo buttons allow you to navigate through your design's history. The clipboard icon allows you to be able to find and edit the inventory of your uploaded images or change the background image of your design at any time. The Actions menu allows you to save your work, turn autosave on or off, duplicate a project, change the background image, start your design over, and share your work via text, email, or social media. Pro users can generate and view proposals from their design. There's also a Contact Us option at the bottom for sending messages. We hope you all enjoy using iScape. Thanks for taking the time to watch.